Hi viewers, you're welcome once again to Property Doctor TV. My name is Samuel Tiamiyu, the legal officer for Lonely Planet Guides Limited. Today I'll be sharing with you something fantastic. A lot of people have been a victim of land scam. People paying for a particular property and then they are not getting the property. And that's why I always advise people that you should not put your money in the dustbin, because the implication of that is that you cannot put your money in the dustbin and expect return on your investment. Real estate is good, but you need to watch out for certain things so that you don't put your money in the wrong place. So first, if you want to avoid land scam, you need to do your search. So if the property has been registered, you need to do search at the land registry. A lot of people want to buy property and they just go into buying without proper due diligence. So one of the ways to do due diligence is to go and do your search. So take for example, the land has not been registered, maybe there is no CFO or consent on it. What you can do is to go with your surveyor to take coordinates of that particular place, go to the land registry and see whether that land is free or it's under government acquisition. So all of this will help you to know whether to go ahead with the transaction or not. And of course, the second thing I'll be sharing with you is to ask for documents. So as a matter of fact, before you can also do search, you need documents to be able to do search. Because if you want to do search on a CFO or you want to do search on a governor's consent, you need the title number. And the title number is usually recorded in the document. So you ask them. If somebody is selling a land that has deed of assignment to you, you need to ask them, where is the deed of assignment that the person used to buy from the other seller. You need to ask for that. You need to ask for the land receipt, you need to ask for the survey plan and all other documents. So they are refusing. If they have told you that they have these documents and they do not want to release it to you, then it could be a scam. It's not conclusive. It doesn't mean that if they are not releasing to you on time, you just give up and say no, this is a scam. No, you need to exercise some patience. But if they linger, if they keep posting you, they keep telling you, oh, we'll give you, and 1 month, 2 months, and you're almost closing the deal and you have not cited any document, land document, then you should run, and you shouldn't close such a deal. Then the last thing I'll be talking about is don't rush. If you want to do a land transaction, any real estate transaction, don't allow anybody rush you. Don't allow them, or don't enter their lies to say, oh, somebody else or someone else, somebody somewhere is about to close the deal before you. No, just take your time and try to do all you need to do. Make sure you have done all you need to do. And search is not just at the land registry. Sometimes you need to do search at CAC office if it's a registered company that you are buying from. Sometimes you need to do search. Of course, not sometimes, you have to do search the physical property. You need to be there, you need to be on the land. Imagine if I am the owner of plot A at so estate, and then you are there looking at the place, taking pictures, doing some things. I'll ask you, wow, what are you doing on this land? This land belongs to me. So that's one of the things that physical inspection reveals, because when you go there and it belongs to another person, they are able to get alerts that, oh, somebody is on your land, is checking your land. So the owner might likely come out to see who is on my land, who is trying to buy my land. So you should do that. So your physical inspection is very important, but don't allow anybody rush you into any real estate deals, because you might be entering into the wrong deal. Very, very important. And if you are having any issues, you can contact your professional, whether a lawyer or a property, a surveyor, or anybody that can share. And of course, we are here to also help you, guide you in all your real estate investments. So contact us at Lonely Planet Guides. We'll be ready to guide you on all your property purchase. We'll tell you the right location to invest in to get a very high return within a reasonable time. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and also share it. If you have gotten any value from this, share it with your friends, share it with people that will need this, and also make sure you follow us on all our social media channels, Lonely Planet NG on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.